hell's he done?
Don't touch it!
I'm not going to.
What's he done, though? Sounds like it's sick.
It can't be. No, it can't be.
Doctor, what is it?
He's cannibalized the TARDIS.
Is this what I think it is?
It's a paradox machine.
2 minutes, everyone. According to the treaty, all armed personnel are requested to leave the flight deck immediately. Thank you.
Jelly baby.
Broadcasting at 7:58 with the arrival time for 800 hours exactly. And good luck to all of us.
As soon as this hits red, it activates. At this speed, it'll trigger at 2 minutes past 8.
First contact is at 8, then 2 minutes later.
What's it for? What does a paradox machine do?
More important, can you stop it?
Doesn't I know what it's doing? Touch the wrong bit, blow up the solar system.
Then we've got to get to the Master.
Yeah, how are we gonna stop him?
Oh, I've got a way. Sorry, didn't I mention it?
And in just 30 seconds' time, we'll be going live to First Contact. It's been announced that Harold Saxon has invited President Winters to take the address.
It's 3 a.m. in the morning on the eastern seaboard, and President Winters has been chosen to lead the world into a new age.
My fellow Americans, patriots, people of the world, I stand before you today as Ambassador for Humanity, a role I will undertake with the utmost solemnity. Perhaps our Toclafane cousins can offer us much, but what is important is not that we gain material benefits, but that we learn to see ourselves anew. For as long as man has looked to the stars, he has wondered what mysteries they hold. Now we know we are not alone.
This plan,
no longer
you gonna tell us?
in the universe.
If I can get this around the Master's neck, cancel out perception, they'll see him for real. It's just hard to go unnoticed when everyone's on red alert. If they stop me, you've got a key.
Yes, sir.
I'll get him.
And I ask you now, I ask of the human race, to join with me in welcoming our friends. I give you the Toclafane. My name is Arthur Coleman Winters, President-elect of the United States of America and designated representative of the United Nations. I welcome you to the planet Earth and its associated moon.
You're not the Master.
We like the Mr. Master.
We don't like you.
I can be Master, if you so wish. I will accept mastery over you, if that is God's will.
Man is stupid. Master is our friend.
Where's my master? Pretty please.
Oh, all right then. It's me. Hello! Sorry, I have this effect. People just get obsessed. Is it the smile? Is it the aftershave? Is it the capacity to laugh at myself? I don't know. It's crazy.
Saxon, what are you talking about?
I'm taking control, Uncle Sam. Starting with you. Kill him.
God! Nobody move! Nobody move! Now then! Peoples of the Earth, please attend carefully. Stop him! We meet at last, Doctor. I love saying that. Stop it now! As if a perception filter's gonna work on me. And look, it's the girly and the freak. Although, I'm not sure which one's which. Laser screwdriver. Who'd have Sonic? And the good thing is, he's not dead for long. I get to kill him again!
Master, just calm down. Just look at what you're doing. Just stop. If you could see yourself.
Oh, do excuse me. A little bit of personal business. Back in a minute. Let him go.
It's that sound. The sound in your head. What if I could help?
Oh, how to shut him up. I know. Memory lane.